Hey guys, today we're going to be doing our fog lights on the front of our 2000 Jeep Wrangler. I got a set sent over from Suparee to check out. Uh, shouldn't be too difficult to install these, but let's take a look at them. Open up the box here, take a look. Oh yeah. Wow. That's some real heavy duty construction. This is aluminum. Feels like a heat sink. Dissipate all the heat from all of this. Got some wiring to do. Looks like we got a goodie bag. Go ahead and mount this with. And got another one down below for the other side. These lights are universal. The bracket can be mounted pretty much anywhere that you can find a place. The lights, like I said, are universal. You can mount them on the fog lights. You can mount them on the side of your Jeep. If you want side running lights, you can mount them on top. Wherever you find a place that you want to use them. You can mount these on your side-by-side, your UTV, your lawnmower, your tractor, whatever you want. Pretty good stuff here. Well made, well designed, pretty strong, durable. Now, I'm going to use them for fog lights. For that, our vehicle's already been wired for fog lights. It has two wires coming out. It's got one ground and one positive wire. These lights are universal, and it comes with three wires. The third wire is for daytime running lights. So if you've got daytime running lights, you can just wire that right up. If you don't, you could run a switch, key on, run it straight out, and then now you have daytime running lights. That's up to you. For myself, I'm just going to connect the two wires together and run all the lights at one time for the brightest I can get it. Now, I'll show you, for example, what they're going to look like. I've just got a little tool hooked up here. Now the center, that's your daytime running light. That's what it's going to look like. Looks pretty good. It's not too bright, but it's going to let people know you're coming down the road. There's your side blasters. Everyone's going to know you're coming down the road. You're going to be able to see where you're going. That's the important thing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook them all up. Just twist these wires together, connect them up. We're just going to run them all at the same time. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm realizing after taking that last shot that it was pretty difficult for you to see. The daytime running light is just this center bulb. I'm going to try and turn it sideways. Maybe you get a better idea. Maybe you can see it easier that way. I'm not sure. And that's the side blasters. Daytime running lights. Now, first thing we need to do is remove the old fog light so that we can install the new ones. We're going to start by following the wire to the connector. You'll squeeze in on the connector and unplug it. Follow the wire, just press in, pull. Flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut go on the back side of it. Now we've got your mounting bracket in place. You want to grab one of our assemblies, take a long bolt, line it up with the hole, and you'll find that it seems difficult to go in. There's two ways to go about this. you can smack it with a hammer and it will go through. Or you can take your ratchet and you can gently start turning it in like you're trying to tighten a bolt, and it will go through. Then we want to take a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut. And for right now, you can just leave it loose and lay in here. Well, we've got it mounted, bolted up. Only thing that's left to do is connect our wiring. So we're going to splice it into our existing wiring harness. So from where we unplugged our original plug, we're going to go ahead and take this loose. This is our harness that we unplugged from. So here's our wires. Go ahead and open up our wiring harness loom. That'll give us access to these two wires right here. Black wire is going to be your ground. Blue wire is going to be your positive. We've got 3 wires going to 2 wires. So like I said previously, I'm just going to connect the red and the yellow wires together. And we're going to connect those to our blue wire. Now, I'm not here to school you on how to connect the wires, the right way to connect it. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. You could snip this whole plug off and go at it that way. But I'm just going to give myself a little access to the wiring, wrap the wires around it, and see what it looks like, because I'm kind of like impatient that way. So for now, I'm just going to wrap it around. Once you get your wires connected and are happy with the way they're secured, you could solder them if you wanted to and wrap them with black tape. And go ahead and tuck them back into your wiring harness loom. For right now, I'm just going to leave them like this. The way I did it, I can switch back to my original plug-in if I want to or need to. Wow, look at that. What a difference. What a difference. So we got the old original, dull yellow, brand new, shiny bright. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the way these turned out and looked. Let's go ahead and get the other side put on and then check it out. Unplug, remove our harness, remove our fog light with a 13 millimeter, install the new one. These lights don't even have to be turned on to look as good or better than the stock OEM. Now that's what I'm talking about. These things are super bright, 16,000 lumens. If I didn't say it once, I'll say it again. Suparee, you've outdone yourselves again. These things are awesome. If you guys want a set, link down below. Thanks for watching.